Okay, y'all, today something very exciting is happening. We are making a very exciting purchase. So, a little background story. About like a week and a half ago, I've been saving up some money and I ordered a MacBook online. The order for some reason got canceled by Apple, so rather than ordering a new one on Apple and waiting 2 weeks, again, my dad and I are just going to go to Best Buy tonight. They have some in stock and we're gonna get one. Now, I just want to make the disclaimer, I know it's in every single haul video or anything, but I'm not trying to brag. I'm just really proud of this because my parents are not helping me at all. I have saved every penny for this. I have worked super hard, you know, like with my job, working hard to get tips and saving money from Christmas and just different stuff like that. I've been working really hard for this, so I'm not trying to brag. This is just really exciting, and this MacBook is really going to come in handy for this channel. We're going to go buy it, and then we're going to do an unboxing. We're back home and I have it in this beautiful bag. I'm so excited. I have been waiting so long. When I tell you, I've wanted a MacBook since like I was in 3rd grade, but I never, like my dad didn't let me get one. Then I had to get another one, and then I just used my old school Chromebook. But now I actually have something and I can like edit on it and it's gonna be so nice. I have to take a thumbnail. I'm telling you, Apple wrappers are just like the best. This one's not as good, but... Oh, there's something right here and I didn't see it! Hold on. And there she goes. I'm like trying not to drop it while I do this. Oh yes. Oh, ooh. Look at it. That is all I have to say. Okay, her out now. Very careful not to drop her. That didn't go as smooth the second time as I was hoping. I am an owner of a MacBook. That's crazy to me. First, I know, before we get into the MacBook, talk about what's in the box. I feel like everyone has seen this, but also like, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells kind of weird. First, we have the charger. Beautiful, kind of a necessity. Then we have the charging cube, which I did not think was in here, but here we are. And then we have this guy that always comes in all the Apple packages, obviously. Gives you stickers. I got silver stickers. I don't know if it's silver or space gray. I think it might be space gray. Also, just so you guys know, I got the MacBook Pro, or like the new one that came out in 2020 with the M1 chip. I'm not a technology expert, guys. I'm just here for the aesthetics of it all. Okay. Okay, so I moved all the other stuff down there, and now it's time to open her up. I'm so excited. Queen. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. She is beautiful. She is gorgeous. I'm not used to this luxury. And mine has like the touch bar at the top also. Pick my country.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
I did not get any of that, but okay. Okay, we gotta go into the Wi-Fi. I'm going to finish setting up my computer and I'll get back to you in a moment. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the video. I have my Mac set up and I just kind of want to mess around with it and I don't know, just kind of do stuff with it. So that's what I'm gonna spend my time doing. I'm so excited. Oh god. I'm so excited to like start using it and to start editing on it. And like I said, I'm just so blessed that I even get the chance to like get something like this. And I really did work hard and it's just nice seeing your hard work pay off, you know. That's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, I have a goal to hit 1,000 subscribers by my birthday, which is January 22nd. It is coming up really soon, but it's okay. We're close. That's all that matters. My Instagram is always linked down below. If you want to go follow me there, you can just see more of me. And I also post different updates on my Instagram stories. I upload on Wednesday and Fridays, unless said differently. Stay tuned on Wednesdays and Fridays. And I will see you guys next video. Bye!